Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In present, honorable chiefs, guests, our admirable guardian, and other brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. I am a Muslim. I am servant of Allah and Ummah Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I read in Deldwar Maulvi Para Rahmaniya Hafizia Madrasa. Now I take to speak that and yes next sheet. Dunya is exam hall, Islam is our university, Quran is our syllabus. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam our teachers. Allah take is so tight to pass exam hall. Allah take shahid kullu nafsi dha'iqatul maut. Shahid every man has tasted on there. Our life is momentary. In this life is do good or bad activities for result. Go to Jannat or Jahannam. Jannat is unlimited peaceful place, but Jahannam is unlimited punishment place. That is very dangerous. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.